Our fifth consecutive year on the Green River was during the final days of summer in September of 2025. We paddled 21 miles from Stovall Park in Munfordville to Dennison Ferry on the outskirts of Mammoth Cave National Park. During this section, we passed by the incredibly unique McCoy Blue Hole and were shocked to discover dozens of dead deer along the shore and in the river due to the recent hemorrhagic disease outbreak in Kentucky for the species.
Yeah, like gangly hiker.
This will never recover. This has been this since I was
If we just cut across right here, we can. It's a shortcut. Just gotta carry that canoe that weighs.
Carry the canoe up the hill.
400 pounds.
Who's gonna be solo next?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Back to it then.
Sometimes ignorant.
I thought it was coming out of that, but I guess it's rising up from down there.
Conveniences.
I would do some dancing things.
County were all millers. That's what their occupation was. They ran grist mills.
Wow.
That'd be neat to see.
Made a YouTube channel. Okay. Well, later down the road, Nick Harrington said, I don't like people emailing me because of YouTube, right? So I made a fake account. Hold on. I made a fake account. And this was Smoky Bees. That way people can contact me via some random email account. Does that make sense?
More or less.
Okay. Well, Nick Harrington decided he maybe want to make a different YouTube channel one day. He wanted to somewhat cut ties with Smoky Bees Natural. Alright? So he says, I want to make this a brand. Okay? So now, YouTube says, fine, but a brand has to have owners and managers. Right? Well, since Nick Harrington made